Hello, I'm Martin Looker from Silicon Labs. In previous videos in this Simplicity Studio series, I showed you how to create the Bluetooth Blinky example application, update its Bluetooth GAT database, and add a button driver using software components. In this video, I'll show you how to output the project so it can be used in other IDEs, if you prefer them to Simplicity Studio, and I'll be focusing on the Visual Studio Code IDE from Microsoft. You can edit your source code in the Simplicity Studio IDE, but we also make it easy to take your project to different IDEs and text editors, if you prefer them. Returning to the Overview tab in the .slcp file, we can change the generator used for the project. You can create GCC or CMake configurations, or allow the project to be worked on in IAR. Visual Studio Code is another option which we'll explore here. If I find the project folder in my file system, I can right-click and select Open with Code. To compile, flash and debug from within VS Code, you'll need to install the Simplicity Studio for VS Code extension, which is available from the marketplace within VS Code. I've now edited the code so that pressing button 1 alters the battery level characteristic value and sends notifications to subscribed devices, providing a simulation so I can check the Bluetooth operation. Building can be started from the Silicon Labs support option. The application can be transferred to Flash from here too, and also debugged from within VS Code. These controls are also available on the ribbon when a file is selected in the Explorer. Clicking the Debug button will compile and upload the code, then open the debug interface. You can set breakpoints in the code, watch variable values, and use the buttons on the toolbar to pause, resume, and step over lines and into and out of functions. Information on using the VS Code extension is available as a welcome guide, and this includes instructions on how to refresh the VS Code configuration if you return to Simplicity Studio to make changes like adding additional software components. In the next video in this series, we'll explore the completed application using the Simplicity Connect Bluetooth mobile app. You can find links to the other videos in the series and relevant information in the video description. And if you subscribe to Silicon Labs YouTube channel, you can get notifications of future videos. Thanks for watching.